Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. In this clip, we will learn exercise of lesson 2 given at page 22 to 24. First question, it is of grammar. Linkage, linking verbs. Linking verbs do not express action but connect the subject and verb to give more information. A verb such as a form of be or seem that joins the subject of a sentence to a complement is called linking verb. For example, Saima looks happy. Some linking verbs are be, look, feel, smell, prove, go, run, resemble, appear, seems. So are bold words, they are linking verbs. Be, seem, looks, be, look, feel, smell, prove, go, run, resemble, appear, seem. So these are all linking verbs. Next question is, complete the following sentence by filling in the blank. Linking. By filling in the linking verbs. The villagers blank in simple houses. So the villagers live in simple houses. Ahmad blank better now after his recent illness. So we may fill Ahmad feels better now after his recent illness. It dash the villagers by settling their disputes. It helps the villagers by settling their disputes. Jacob's younger brother resembles him. So here the word linking is used. The panchayat works for the welfare of the villagers. Sixth question is, my parents dash very happy. My parents look very happy. Hopes dash true. Hopes come true. Number last. Sumera dash tired. Sumera looks tired. So this way we have completed the missing words. Now in next page 23, preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to any other word of the sentence. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to any other word of the sentence. For example, she is fond of reading books. So this of is preposition. The sky is above our head. So above is preposition. Arif lives with his parents. So with is preposition. He goes to school daily. To is preposition. Now question is, fill in the blanks with correct preposition. The cows are in the field. You should stand by her. He killed the snake with a stick. I know nothing about him. The dog jumped over the car. China is in the north of Pakistan. So this was the fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Next question is compound preposition. What is compound prepositions? Compound prepositions are formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. He has given examples. Across. Across, that is formed with two words, on and cross. Along is formed by prefixing two words, on and long. Behind, by and hide. Two words are joined together and compound proposition is formed. Beneath, be and neath, two words are used. Beside, by and side. Underneath, under and neath. So this way compound prepositions are formed. Now he has given examples. There is a bridge across the river. So across is the compound preposition. He is walking along the road. Along is preposition, compound preposition. The treasure lies beneath the rock. So beneath is the compound preposition. He is riding behind. He is hiding behind the tree. So behind is compound preposition. She is sitting beside me. So beside is the compound preposition. In this way, we can form compound prepositions. Now the last question is, fill in the blanks with compound prepositions. The first question is, the earth revolves around the sun. Here around is the compound preposition. He knows English beside Urdu. So beside is compound preposition. Divide the apples between the two sisters. So between is compound preposition. There is a village beside the hill. So beside is the compound preposition. A stranger was walking along the pathway of my house. So along is compound preposition. We cannot live without water. Without is compound preposition. It helps the villagers by settling the dispute among them. So among is the compound preposition. So this way we can